Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. If you have never been here, then welcome. I am so glad that you are here now. And in today's video, I have a special video for you today because this is going to be our Try It Tuesday. And this is a video that I do in collaboration with Jess and Jessica Vargas, where each Tuesday we try something new on our channel, whether it is a new makeup product, a tip, trick, hack, or just something that we want to test out, whether it be a new makeup product or a actual tool or something that we have discovered that we want to test and see, does this really work? And in today's video, where is it? In today's video, I am actually going to be trying out the spring collection by Dior, and I have picked up, I just could not help myself. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. I picked up one of my favorite things to pick up from Dior, which is the 5-color quints that they have. So I picked up this one right here. This is Pink Sakura number 849, and it is absolutely beautiful. The color story is right up my alley. Then I also picked up a 3-color. This is the Trioblique Pure Glow 3-color eyeshadow palette, Triple Bloom. It's just absolutely gorgeous, but really it kind of reminds me of almost like, I'm not quite sure if this is a baked jelly formula or what, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. It's just absolutely so pretty. I just couldn't help myself. So I did pick up this, and it's just amazing. So yeah, it's more along the lines of almost like you could use some of these as a blush, like this one right here. I love the Dior lip maximizers, and this one is in, oh, let me tell you the number of this one because there are 2 of them. This is in 663 Triple Bloom. But there is a different color story that they have in this one. And then this is the, let me see, gotta get this. It is 012, and I don't really see a color on it, but it is the number 012, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I thought I would use this over the top of the what I have on my lips right now is just the Luxe liner from Juvia's Place in Love Me. That's the shade name. And I just thought that I could just use this over the top. And I am not sure how that this video is going to come out because I'm actually trying something new. I am filming on my new phone. John picked me up a new phone, and so he got me the iPhone 12 Pro, and I am, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. I am liking that. So you'll just have to tell me how you think that the lighting is, how you think that this is working. But I am actually filming on a camera. I'm just giving this a whirl today. So yeah, hopefully it will look fine by the time that you see it and I edit it back. But I am giving this little get up a whirl. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, but I'm giving this a whirl. The cameras are supposed to be really good on this particular phone, and I'm just filming right off of my Ricky extra large mirror, and I have a little socialite setup on it. And so, yeah, I'm giving it a whirl. So hopefully the lighting is okay, and hopefully you can sort of tell my skin and my actual baggage a little bit better. I mean, I'm not shooting for perfect. I'm shooting for unfiltered. Not that I ever use a filter anyway, but sometimes I think that my lighting sort of drowns out my wrinkles, and you know, this way you can sort of see my wrinkles a little bit better. So you know, that's what I'm going for, the truth. I'm going for you to be able to see the real unfiltered hot mess that I am. So anyway, yeah, I'm hoping that that's going to do it. I got my hair done, and so I have all of the red underneath now. So that's a little bit different if you're noticing that. So yes, I did get my hair done a little bit differently this time at the salon. So if you notice a little bit different with my hair, that's what that is. And I did get my hair trimmed and got some of the dead ends cut. I am still letting it grow, but I did get about 1 inch cut off just to get some of the fresh on and the dead off. So yeah, but anyway, let's get into this and see how we're liking it. I think I am going to use the 5 colors instead of the trio, just to get started, and then we'll see where we go from there. The 5 colors is a little bit cooler, and it will just match my shirt a little bit better than the trio being the warmer of the two. So yeah, I think I'll go with, just thinking about what color shirt I've got on right now. I'll just go with the cooler of the two. So I'm really excited about this collection. I am a Dior baby. I love Dior cosmetics, and I love the 5 color quints. So I'm just gonna hop in to this shade right here first and just see how dark or light that is. I'm very comfortable with the quints from Dior. Like I said, at one point, I think in my lifetime, I probably had all that was on the market. I, of course, don't at this particular time. I'm just now starting back up my Dior collection. I just kind of got away from Dior for a while, but I am starting to dibble dabble right back on into Dior. They were just all that I used for so many years that I wanted to explore other things. But now I'm just getting right on back into where I was with them. I love them so much. They're just so good. I actually think that I've played around in Tom Ford. I think that, you know, honestly, if I had to choose between Dior and Ford, I would probably go with the Dior. The more and more I play in Tom Ford, the more and more I think that Tom Ford's a little bit overrated. But I really love Dior. I've always loved Dior. With Tom Ford, you know, it's a 4-pan eyeshadow look, and you can pretty much go a little bit cheaper and just go with Tilbury if you're wanting to go with a 4-pan look. I'm going to go into this lighter shade right here and just give my brow a lift up there. Really nice. Going to slip into this one and build up some depth over in the outer V. Actually, I just changed brushes, and I'm using a little bit smaller of a brush. I'm using a Detail Blending E27 from Sigma. Okay, so I've got that look roughed in. I'm just going to finish up the other eye and I'll be right back. I have finished my eye look, and what I used for my eyeliner, oh my gosh. I mean, like, can you even? I used the Wayne Goss, his eye pencils. They're the Essential Kohl pencil, and I used the one in Deep Amethyst, and it is so gorgeous. It is this purple color right here. They are like butter, and they are so good if you are of the age that making a wing is getting a little bit challenging because your eyelids are a little bit saggy. They just blend out like butter, and they are just, oh my gosh, they're just so good. They are just so good. And then he has this one called, well, he has one called Obsidian, which is black. He's got one called Precious Opal, and it is really a taupey color. It's this color right here. This one, it's just so beautiful. And then he's got this one called Sapphire, Blue Sapphire, and it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it is this blue color right here. It's just beautiful. And this is that Natasha Denona I'm wearing today, and it is just, you can tell it's just a little bit off. So I'm definitely going to have to get something to try and lighten it up, but I like the makeup. I like the makeup, but it's just a wee bit off. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to figure something out. I like the actual makeup, so I'm using it anyway. I'm just, yeah, I've got to figure something out, but they sent me, this is that one that they sent me in BoxyCharm that, you know, I didn't order, so of course I didn't order the shade, and this is 40N light medium, so I'm really thinking I'm going to go on the Natasha Denona website and order the shade I want, because this is so good. So yeah, I'm just playing around with it, trying to decide if I love it good enough to actually order it, and I'm thinking, man, I really like this. So yeah, 40N, liking it. But yeah, I'm thinking that it might be okay for the summer. So yeah, it's just a little bit off, just a smidge. So anyway, those are the Wayne Goss eyeliners. They are really, really good. And I thought that I would go into the Dior. This is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette in 004 Rose Gold. And I thought we would use that today for some blush and highlight. So yeah, this is the one that I'm going to use. And I'm going to use this really pinky shade right here as a blush lighter, just to kind of go with what we already have going on. But that's what it looks like. It's just really a pretty palette. So yeah, and if you just like just to show you, the Goss is just easily, you know, kind of toned down. If you think, oh, you know, I really don't like it to be that prominent. Well, it's so easy smudgeable. It just smudges so easy. So yeah, I kind of left that on there because I just wanted to show you, like, it just smudges so easy. See that? So good. Oh, it's just so good. I just like it. So yeah, and then I'm just going in with this one right here in the outer tail. And then that's just all I'm going to do right there for that. And that's going to be my complete look. What do you think? I'm really liking this whole Dior collection. And then they also sent me, for my purchase, they sent me 2 mini Dior shades. This is like a red They usually do send you a Dior red. It used to be Trey Dior, and this is Dior Rouge Velvet 999. And then they sent me, and I used to rock that Trey Dior. That was my signature shade back in the 90s. And then they sent me Dior Nude Look Matte in Dior 100, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I really, really like this one. Let me show you what that is looking like. It is just a beautiful pinky nude, so I definitely will see myself so creamy. I definitely see myself using both of these. I love Dior reds. I love Dior lipsticks. Yeah, just really, really like both of those. So, yeah, the rouge color is not a true bricky red like Trey Dior was, but it is kind of a poppy, more blue undertone. I really like both of the lipsticks that they did send to me for my purchase. So yeah, liking that very much. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and meet us back every Tuesday for another episode of Try It Tuesday. You never know what you're going to see. Don't forget to check Jess Gus's video out, Jessica Vargas's video out, see what they're trying this Tuesday. My edition was the 2021 spring collection from Dior. And if you like what you see, I will link it down in the description box below. If you want to pick up one of the pieces, it is on the Dior website. So I hope that you have enjoyed my Try It Tuesday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, guys.